How to add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook app. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Adding and switching between multiple accounts on the Facebook app is straightforward, and here's how you can do it on both Android and iOS. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the hamburger menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen on iOS and on the top right corner of your screen on Android. Now, simply scroll down and tap on the logout. This will log you out of the current account. You will need to log out of your current account before adding a new one. So after logging out, you'll be taken to the login screen where you can see options like add a new account, or if you have already logged into another account, then you can see other account option available there as well. You can tap on the add a new account and log in with a different account, and you can add multiple accounts here. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.